Ever wanted to share your exclusive Roblox private server with friends but didn't know how? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy that secret server link in just a few easy steps, and it's way easier than you think. All right, let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, pick the game you want to share your private server link for. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Servers. This is where you'll find your private server. When you see your private server listed, tap on the three dots next to it. A menu will pop up. From there, select Configure. Now scroll down, and you'll see the private server link option. Tap Generate to create the link. If you want to allow your friends to join, make sure the Friends Allowed option is turned on. After that, click Generate again, and boom, there's your link. Simply click on it to copy, and now you're ready to share it with your friends so they can join your private server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.